Are you looking for a good leaf blower and overall compressed air blaster? This is the Bullseye 24,000 RPM blower. We're gonna unbox it together, actually test it to see if it's any good, and I'm gonna try it for you so that you don't have to, and you can also make a better decision for yourself and your loved ones. So let's get into the unboxing, of course. Packaged nicely like most things these days, but there's the Bullseye handheld blower. It feels surprisingly heavy duty. It is made out of a tougher plastic shell on the outside. Does come with 2 batteries as well, 20-volt lithium ion batteries. And let's see if these are actually charged up. They are charged up. This one is at least. Throw it on there, and then I believe we just press the trigger. It's just one speed. Actually, it's variable speed depending on the pressure that you put on the trigger, because I can barely put any pressure on it and it creates a gentle draft, or I can press it all the way down and it creates extreme RPM power. Like, it's backfiring in my hand a little bit. So this is really useful for obviously clearing up dust, debris, rocks, gravel, leaves, obviously, and different things that you're trying to blow in wider area or even a more confined, more narrow area like this. If you add this attachment and just twists right on, now you can reach much farther distances and actually blow materials that are farther away, because it's obviously getting channeled through this tube. It also has this attachment right here as well that you can snap on for even more precision. So this again is going to cover less area, but it's going to give you a lot of long range compressed air power. So this thing is crazy. I've reviewed compressed air different blowers and they are not nearly as strong as this. A lot of them are, you know, maybe 12,000 RPM. With this one being 24,000 RPM, it looks like the battery life has about 12 minutes of continuous use. I think that's why they included 2 batteries with this one, is because you may, you know, need a second one if you're going through your entire yard, blowing through all the leaves. But we're gonna put that to the test and see if 12 minutes is actually accurate, because I have a feeling that it might last a little bit longer than that, depending on how, you know, how much pressure you're putting on the trigger and how long you're continuously using it. So we'll test that out. Here we also have an AC wall charger, so they really include everything, boxed really nicely, and you know, multiple batteries is always a plus. So let's go give it a shot, see how good it is at actually blowing things around, and yeah, let's go. This is the concrete shop floor. Let's see if we can get this stuff way down there. Just if I zoom in, let's see if we can get it. All right, I mean, you know, pretty much got it. There were some stubborn cobwebs, but I just leaned in a bit closer and those are gone now too. So it works pretty well on concrete with a little bit of debris. Let's try out another one. Still in the workshop, and here we have some bigger debris. I've got a pile of debris over here that I'm gonna try and blow it into. So let's see what we can do here. Again, it's just the trigger and you just press down. The harder you press, the more it actually amps up and accelerates. And you can see that even from up here, I'm not bending down at all. I'm just pointing it down at the ground. It was able to move a rock across the floor. And so it is very, very powerful. If you're wondering if this is strong enough to actually clear out leaves, clear out rocks, all different types of things, this is definitely strong enough. And just to showcase this, we'll go outside and I'll show you how much it can really do. So here's a line of rocks. We're gonna see if we can clear out these rocks. First, I don't want my dog to be in the way though. So let me make sure he's out of the way. All right, there we go. Now, these rocks are just lined up here. Let's see if we can actually use this blower with the attachments and without the attachments to see if it can get rid of these rocks and actually blow them if it's strong enough to do that. So let's go. So I did have to get closer in order to move the bigger rocks. Everything else moved out of the way beautifully, but the bigger rocks I did have to get pretty close. So I'm going to assume that even with the attachments, if it doesn't work, then without, you know, definitely a little bit less focus there. So overall, very strong, but it's not necessarily going to blow through gravel or anything like that. Gas-powered leaf blower is still probably going to be much, much stronger. And, you know, you won't have to change the batteries on that. But the Bullseye is a really good handheld tool for quick little projects you want to get done, or little cleanups that you want to get done. I can see this being useful in a car, in a work truck, in a workshop, a garage, a home, or somewhere where you're trying to just ensure that you've got concentrated power for actually blowing sawdust, blowing rock dust, keeping things clean. Bullseye makes a really nice handheld product here. Love that it comes with 2 batteries and the charger and the accessories. I hope this was helpful and you enjoy this as much as I have and my family has, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.